Okay, so this property is really, really incredible. It's on over 1 acre, so it's 1.13 acres. This is the driveway, so it does slope up a fair bit, which is nice because it gives you that elevation for views and privacy. And then it goes all the way around here. You have a 3-bay workshop garage there. The house is right there. It's got a beautiful fenced front yard and kind of around the back as well. So it's fantastic for animals or kids or pets and all sorts of fun stuff. So tons of wood storage here as well. And of course, lots of parking. So you have RV parking, and the property does go and include these trees in the back. So it's actually really, really spacious up here, and it's mostly treed, and then you have landscaped and grass, and it just has a big diversity. It has tons of fruit, nut, and berries as well, with grapes. So lots of potential here for gardening. It does have a few garden beds as well. And here is the property, so I'm just going to kind of walk around a little bit more. You can see it all fenced around. Perfect for someone with dogs. Okay, so I'm in the front yard right now. Okay, look how beautiful this is. It's just absolutely amazing. And here's the house. So this is that walkout basement. It is covered. It's got a beautiful covered deck there and up here as well. And this is the living room area, and you have the kitchen on this side. And the views are spectacular. Like, you got beautiful mountain views. And I'm not even on the top of, I'm not even at the top level of the property yet. Just here. So yeah, so it's got little garden beds. They got some garlic going. Let's go take a look inside. All right, so here's the heat pump as well. So you got heating, cooling. So as you enter this walkout basement, you enter into this rec room. So it has a wood burning stove, a heat pump down here as well. And then it has storage, because let's face it, we all need storage. With a light, so this is just underneath the stairs. And then here, okay, so here's the mechanical room. So we have the hot water tank, new softener, built-in vacuum, and a electric furnace as well. So the heat pump, the wood stove, and the electric furnace. So there's tons and tons of ways to heat and cool the place. And this is really cool too. So it has a cold room, because we all need one. So this is fantastic. I know I love mine. So tons and tons of space for food storage. All right, okay, before we go upstairs, don't want to forget this gem. So right here on the walkout basement level, you have this incredible den. So, I mean, you could be another bedroom if you really needed to. Huge window. So another den here. I just kind of want to show you the layout of it all. Let me see here. Okay, so you have your front basement walkout entrance. And then before you head upstairs, you have this awesome space here for office. And then what they have this one set up as a master bedroom because it has a washroom as well. So fantastic guest room, or even for yourself as a master bedroom. I think this is fantastic with a walk-in closet and a full washroom as well. And there's so much space in here. Okay, so walk-in closet and full washroom right here with a shower. There we go. All right, and now we go upstairs. Okay, so I am in love with these stairs. These are real maple hardwood stairs. Yep, you're gonna get the whole tour of the stairs. There we go. And then that flows through up here, which is amazing. New tiles. So they've done some work up here in the kitchen area. Beautiful island, lots of windows. It is so bright. Double sinks, like you have a window there. I absolutely love that. Makes doing dishes that much better. Like, look at that view. Oh my goodness. Yes, it has a range. And as you can see from the kitchen, dining room, living room, it has this beautiful flow on these amazing floors. And then the access to that patio, the covered deck, is right here, which is amazing. Enjoy the view from here. Like, this is just spectacular. It's a little bit cloudy day today, but I mean, you still get the mountains. And if you have kids or dogs playing in the front yard, I mean, you could definitely keep an eye while you're sipping on your margarita. Huge deck. Nice big bay window, right? Like, this is just so much light in here. And floors again, I just can't get enough. They're just so beautiful. Okay, so let's head to the bedroom here. So this is one of the bedrooms upstairs. They do have a Murphy bed in here, but there's tons of space probably for a queen or a double easy. And it does have a closet and a large window here, so it's quite bright. And then this is the back entrance. So it has a laundry, washer, dryer right on here on the main floor. And a back deck. So it has a little bit of a back deck here, and this is that backyard. And again, fenced all the way around, and the property line goes and includes these trees. So more wood shelters. Again, storage is super important. And then a bathroom here. So this is the full washroom. Nice big window. It does have a fan as well. Nice big space here. Linen closet. Boom. This is amazing. I love this home. And then on this side, so the rooms are quite well separated. So if you have guests or kids or whatever it is, you don't want to hear them at night. This is perfect because this room is completely separate. So this is the second bedroom upstairs. And it does have an ensuite bathroom. I'm just gonna do a quick turnaround. Oh, big window. And yeah, so that this is the bathroom here with a shower. Yeah, so it has a shower there, ensuite. Okay, so here is that 3-bay workshop. So what's really, really cool about this is that you can park 2 cars easily or have this as a big workshop area. And through here at this bay, all right, this bay here, it's insulated and heated as well. So you have lights, you have this incredible workshop, tons and tons of space for so many projects. And then of course you have that.